Hey everyone, welcome to another plan with me. Today I will be using my new metal kit, which will be coming to my shop on April 15th. This kit was so much fun to make, definitely one of my favorite genres of metal, and I guess favorite genres of music ever, or overall. So making this kit was really fun. Of course, I used kind of stereotypical identifiers of the genre, such as the Fred Durst red hat and chop suey, but I also incorporated some titles of songs or some top hits of the genre back in the late 90s, early 2000s, such as, Bodies, hitting the floor, the Slipknot, I pushed my fingers into my eyes. So I definitely used inspiration from songs and bands, and I just kind of looked at what I thought of in the way of fashion, trends, and all of that. So with that being said, this is the kit I made. This is the Big Happy Planner kit. I do have it in classic size, in PP Weeks, and I will actually also have vinyl and paper option die cut stickers. The vinyls are perfect for decorating like your water bottle, your tumblers, your laptop, whatever surface you want to make the stickers last. Paper options are really great for stationery, like this, for example. So if you're interested to see what other items are available, I will leave a link in my description to my shop and some links to some of the items, including this kit, so you can take a look. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and just play music for the rest of this video, so just sit back and relax and enjoy the next few minutes. All right, so we're coming to the end of this spread. I was able to use most of the stickers, which is always my goal, and I'm really glad the way that it turned out. If you're like me, you like to get creative, so I was able to use some of the stickers in a creative way. I like to use the label stickers as like a to-do list kind of. I should have put some examples, written some in there, but you can watch the video and see what I mean. All right, well, thanks for watching. Again, if you like this kit or this collection, I will leave a link in my description to my shop and to some listings related to this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, well, thanks again for watching and have a great day. All right, bye.